Amid a steady increase in the number of COVID-19 cases in recent weeks, Ministry of Health Registrar Dr. Swann says COVID fatigue appears to be driving the latest uptick. This as he also addressed COVID cases in schools and the rationale behind approving carnival-related events amid the uptick in cases.
It's more related to COVID fatigue. There are persons who are pushing for mask mandates to be removed, and some of them are just going on the way and moving those mask mandates themselves.
The Ministry of Health Registrar's comments came after several New Providence schools shut down campuses this week due to an increase in COVID-19 cases and exposures among staff and students. A Ministry of Health statement indicates that as of May 10th, 38 cases had been reported in schools in the previous 4 weeks. But the Ministry of Health said it did not recommend the closure of any schools.
Populations in the schools are part of the community. The numbers of schools that we have, a number of cases rather, that we have experienced or been reported from schools are not to a threshold where we feel the school needs to be shut down in order to control anything, because there's no outbreak or anything in the schools.
Dr. Swann was also asked about the decision to grant permission for a weekend of carnival events that includes a beach fete and road march.
They applied for 500. Actually, they approved for 300 to 500. We were generous and gave them 500. We don't make typos on those type of applications. It might be addressed to the wrong person, but it ain't going to be the wrong number. And we've looked at other events that we would have approved in smaller confines, say that's static, and make a determination as to whether or not we feel this event is substantially more risky than the other event. And again, the approval to have the event is just that. The approval to have the event is not a waiving of any of the public health measures that we've asked persons to adhere to.
Reporting for Guardian News Network, I'm Jasmine Brown.